Suppose we have the function y is equal to root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. We have a product of 4 different functions and raised to exponent half. Root means exponent is half, right? So we have to solve this differentiation. If you want to find dy by dx, you can use chain rule. This is root of something. So 1 by 2 root something into the differentiation of the product of these 4 functions. So instead of that, what we can do to do this simply is we apply logarithm on both sides. So before applying the differentiation rule, we apply logarithm on both sides. So what happens if I do that? Ln y is equal to, so ln of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 whole power half, right? Square root means power half. Now the property of logarithm says that the power of this expression can be taken out. That is equal to half times, so once the power goes out, this is ln a, b, c, d. You have product of these 4 expressions inside log. So if you separate the log, they become ln x minus 1 plus ln x minus 2 plus ln x minus 3 plus ln x minus 4, right? So this implies ln y is equal to this. Now let us differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this implies ln y's differentiation is 1 by y, ln something is 1 by something into d by dx of that something which is y is equal to, so this half is a constant, so half times, what is the differentiation of ln x minus 1? 1 by x minus 1 plus ln x minus 2's differentiation is 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4. So the differentiation has been done. This implies dy by dx is equal to, if this y goes onto that side, this becomes y by 2 times 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4. So this is the expression for dy by dx.